Oh God. They're chasing each other. I've never gotten one in my scope. Let's make this count. Oh fuck, is he flying up? Nope. Let's see where he goes. God dang it, he's climbing the branch that I can't. Oh, he just flew off. Fuck. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Oh, he's right there. Holy shit. That was a miracle. Tell it to stop moving. Okay, he just needs to move up a little bit and stay. Oh, he's eating something. He's fucking eating something. All right, I think I can come down. I did, why wouldn't he? There we go. Oh God, okay. There's two. Oh God, okay, hold on. Let me zoom out. Holy shit, okay. Fuck. Fuck. Maybe they'll come back. What's that? Great Crested Flycatchers.